Typically at the end of the day, if everybody sees the same thing, we all should be basically right there at it. A lot of people come in and they'll want to know why our estimate varies from somebody else, either the guy up the street, the insurance company. You know, they always look at the bottom line. And the one thing that you want to think about is that each individual looks at that vehicle and they look at it through different eyes. It may be different conditions, it may be a different estimating system. I may see a repair versus another guy might write replace. So typically, I tell everybody, if you do apples to apples, oranges to oranges, we all should be within pennies at the end of the deal. I never worry about what the insurance company writes initially because they only write what they can see. Obviously, you don't want to spend money if you don't need to. And I wouldn't spend your money or even the insurance company's money. So I write what I can see. Once we pull it apart, then we go into it further. Now, if I can go out to a car and I can get down on my hands and knees and look up underneath the car and get a better estimate, then I will. The guy up the street may not. And that means my estimate's gonna be higher. But I maybe wrote a little bit better estimate. I had an estimate come in yesterday, and right off the bat, I saw that the insurance company had selected the grill emblem that was $39.21. Now, this car actually has an optional grill because this one has a front camera. He didn't select the one, he selected the $39 one. The one that actually goes on the car is $477. So that is $450 difference right off the bat with one emblem. I tell people probably 1 out of 9 estimates start and finish the same amount of money. Anytime we do write an estimate, I'm typically going to write the estimate. I'm typically going to go through it with you. Sometimes I'll even print out the graphics, and I'll even circle a lot of the graphics and let you know, especially if you're paying for it out of pocket. You come in, hey, I got a bumper job I need done. Now, maybe you may walk in and thinking this bumper job is going to be $200. Now, when I get ready to write it, and I'm getting ready to give you the bad news that this bumper job may be $800, you're probably going to want to know why I just spent $800 of your money. So typically what I will do is I'll go and print the graphics out, and I will show you line for line. Hey, I got this, I circled this, you need this, you need this. This part is X number of dollars, this part is X number of dollars. So you might have come in thinking that you may pay $200, but actually it's going to be about $800. And this is the reason why. As long as you show everybody kind of where it's going, then at least they get a kind of a brief understanding for exactly how we repair cars. A good shop is going to protect you and make sure that everything is done correctly.